Copying emails from a list. If you wish to use a list of users' emails you have prepared in a spreadsheet or notepad file to enroll your learners, you can simply copy the list into the section for adding learners. This is a great option for those with large amounts of learners they wish to invite. Head to Enroll and Manage Learners, navigate to Enroll and Add Learner to a course, click Next, enter the course and group you wish to add the learners to, and copy and paste the list of emails into the email addresses field. Then click Process Email Addresses. Remember to make sure only one email is pasted per line, and that no extra details other than emails are pasted by mistake. If any invalid details are added, it will show up as red under Invalid Email Addresses along with any invalid email addresses you may have added.